Good morning students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. So students, this is a maths class and we are doing chapter 6. Okay students, and the topic is divisibility rule. So students, in previous classes we discussed about divisibility rule of 2 to 11. Okay, so we are doing exercise 6C. And we have done from part A to part I. Okay, so we start from part J. Test the divisibility of the following number by 8. Test the divisibility of the following number by 8. So students, we have to we test the divisibility of 8. So we have to learn the divisibility rule by 8. And the divisibility rule by 8 is the hundreds place number and tens place number and ones place number is divisible by 8. So the whole number is divisible by 8. So question number 1, 8364. 8364. This is a number and we have to find this number is divisible by 8 or not. Okay. So the hundreds place number, tens place number and ones place number. First we check the hundreds place number, tens place number and ones place number is divisible by 8. So the number is 364 is divisible by 8. No, this number is not divisible by 8. This number is not divisible by 8. 364 is not divisible by 8. So the whole number is not divisible by 8. Understood? Next, question number 2. Question number 3. 36,712. 36,712. 36,712. The rule is same. Hundreds place number, tens place number, and ones place number is divisible by 2, 8 or not. Okay, 8 is fully divisible, 712 is fully divisible by 8. So the whole number is divisible by 8. So the whole number is divisible by 8. Understood? How to check, how to test the divisibility of 8. Next, test the divisibility of the following number by 9. So, first we know the divisibility rule of 9. The divisibility rule of 9 is the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. Sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. So the number is divisible by 9. So question number 1. We have to check this number is divisible by 9 or not. So students, the rule is the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 2, 18 plus 4, 22 plus 5, 27. Is 27 is divisible by 9? Yes. 27 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. Understood? Next. Part L. Test the divisibility of the following number by 10. So students, the divisibility of 10, if in ones place the number is 0, so this number is divisible by 10. If in ones place the digit is 0, so the number is divisible by 10. Look, 5505. 5505. Only we check the ones place number. Ones place number is 0 or not. Ones place number is 5. So this number is not divisible by 10. So this number is not divisible by 10. Next, 4516. Only look, ones place number is 0. So this number is divisible by 10. Next, 2,74,650. The ones place number is 0. So the whole number is divisible by 10. Question number 4,35,892. The ones place number is 2. So this number is not divisible by 10. Part M. Test the divisibility of the following number by 11. Test the divisibility of the following number by 11. So students, the divisibility rule of 11 is very important. Okay, the divisibility rule of 11 is very important. So how to check that, how to test the divisibility by 11? So students, as we know the rule of divisibility rule of 11, that the sum of the digits of odd place number and the sum of the digits of even place number, the difference of the sum of the odd place number and the difference of the sum of even place number is either 0 or 11. So the number is divisible by 11. Now question number 2. 70,169,863. 800. Is this number divisible by 11? So students, the sum of odd place digits, the sum of odd place digits 1, 3, 5, 7. These are odd place. Okay, so 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 0. The sum of these numbers 70. The sum of even place number. Even place number 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. 9, 1, 10 plus 7, 6, 17. The difference of both numbers, the difference of the sum of odd place digits and the difference of the even place digits, 17 minus 17 is 0. If the difference is either 0 or 11, so the number is divisible by 11. The difference is 0, so this whole number is divisible by 11. So this whole number is divisible by 11. Understood? Next, question number 3. Is this number is divisible by 11? Look, 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay. Now find test the divisibility of 11. This number is divisible by 11 or not? So the sum of the odd place digits. The sum of odd place digits is 1, 3, 5, 7. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. The sum of odd place digits 2, 4, 6, 8. 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 2. The difference of odd places and even places is 1. So this number is not divisible by 11. This number is not divisible by 11. Okay students, understood? Next, part N. Next part N. In each of the following numbers, replace star by the smallest number to make it divisible by 3. We have to find the smallest number to make it divisible by 3. Okay. In the place of star, the first number is 7, 5 and star 3. And this number is divisible by 3. This number is divisible by 3. So we have to fill the smallest number. Then the number is divisible by 3. So the rule of divisibility of 3 is the sum of all the numbers is divisible by 3. 7 plus 5 plus star plus 3. Okay. 7 plus 5 12 plus 3 15. 7 plus 5 12 12 plus 3, 15. And which number we add, then the whole number is divisible by 3. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So if we add the smallest number 3, the smallest number is 3. If we add the number 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 7, 18. Understood? Next, 3 5. 3 5 star 64. 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 4. 5 plus 3, 8. Plus 6, 14 plus 4, 18. Okay. Which number we have? We got the divisibility of 3. Students, if we add 0. If we add 0 in this number, then 18 is also divisible by 3. So, if we add 0 in this place, so this number is divisible by 3. Okay. If we add 3 on this place, so this number is 21. So, this number is also divisible by 3. If we add 3, so this number is also divisible by 3. This is same in question number 1. If we add 0 in the place of star, so this number is divisible by 3. Okay. The process is same. Part 4. In each of the following numbers, replace star by the smallest number to make it divisible. Okay. Make it star to in each of the following numbers, replace star by the smallest number to make it divisible. Understood? So students, how to find this number is in place of star? So look. 6 7 star 1 9. 6 7 and star and 1 9. So which number? Find the number in the place of star. Okay. So students, the number in place of star 6 7 star 1 9. 6 7 star 1 9. So the sum of all the numbers divisible by 9. If the sum of all the numbers is divisible by 9, so the number is divisible by 9. So 6 plus 7 plus star plus 1 plus 9. 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 1 14. 14 plus 9 23. 23 is not divisible by 9. So the nearest number which is divisible by 9 is 27. So which number we add to got 23 to 27? If we add 4 in the place of star, so this number is divisible by 27. The 4 is the smallest number which we add in the place of star, so the number is divisible by 27. Okay, understood? 6 plus 4 10 plus 7 17 plus 1 18 plus 9 27. Understood? So the smallest number, we have to find the smallest number, same as part N. The question number was 7 5 star and 3. 7 5 star and 3. The divisibility by 3. To make it divisible by 3, so which number we have? 7 plus 5 plus star plus 3. 7 plus 5 12 plus 3, 15. So 15 is also divisible by 3. 15 is also divisible by 3. So we put the value 0 in place of star, because 0 is the smallest number. Okay, if the number is divisible by 3, so we put the number 0, because 0 is the smallest number. Okay, so this whole number, if this 0, the whole number is divisible by 3. Okay, because in question he asks the replace star by the smallest number, so 0 is the smallest number. Understood? So students, question number 2. Question number 2 is divisibility by 9. Okay, star. Find the divisibility by 9. Which number is in place of star? 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus star. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 20 plus 27 plus 4, 31, 31 plus star. 31 is divisible by 9? No. So the latest number which is divisible by 9 is 36. So this number we add to get from 31 to 36. We add 5. So the number is 5 in place of star. If we add 5, so the number is divisible by 9. Understood? So students, exercise 6 is completed. So you have to do all the exercise. Next time we will start the next topic, factors and multiples. Okay, factors and multiples. So students, now write down homework. Complete exercise 6C. Okay, complete exercise 6C from part A to O. Okay, thank you.